Alright guys, welcome back to All American Motors. Today we are going to be clearing the woods out so we can get our 1951 Ford F-1 pulled out of the woods. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video to see what Grandpa has to say about it. And yes, this video was taken about 2 years ago, so my voice was different, my videoing quality is different, so I do apologize about that, but let's get into it. So we're going to be clearing a vehicle-sized path in between the old Pontiac and the old GMC pickup. That way we can get the truck out of there. Big shout out to Papa Pepper for dropping what he was doing and being able to come out and help us clear this. We could definitely not have done it without him. Link in the description to his video on this same vehicle project. And be sure to subscribe to him because he helped out a ton. Here's an update. Trying to take the rims out so we can get them. So after clearing for an hour or two, we finally had a path all the way almost out. We had this one fallen tree right in our path. Papa Pepper! There!
Walk up here and cut that branch up, it should fall. You almost got room to go around it at this point.
Yes, sir.
But, hang on. Alright, what was I doing? I was tightening my thing before you distracted me.
After getting that tree mostly cleared out where we could hopefully get by it, we still had the one tree in the bumper of the truck. There's that side, and you can see it grew inside of it. The bar goes up right there, and I don't think that's coming out. And we're probably not going to be able to cut it either. It's leaning right over a truck. Okay, we're back here, day number 2. We are going to try to remove the bumper. But as you can tell on this side, 2 bolts here, and then 2 bolts. One here, one there. 2 in there, so that we can get it out of here.
If we cut it down here, at this weld,
we tried to use a log as a breaker bar and drill a hole.
Alright, let's try it. If it's a good thing it even fit through this hole, it's not gonna move.
I'd be impressed, yeah.
Is it unscrewing it?
It was on a screw. Is it doing anything?
No, it's breaking the log.
I
should have gotten a harder log.
Well,
it's not working.
Oh, man. Just gonna try to put it in a...
I don't want to get stuck in here. That's why I haven't hit so hard.
Get it? There.
Guess what? No one's holding this. can't do both, Mark. You gotta grab hold of it.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, slip off. Alright, try again.
I bet we wouldn't have been able to do without this cheater. Got it.
Hey. Finally.
Coming?
I don't know.
Okay, working on the other side now. This side is gonna be faster.
Now that we know what we're doing, we found this pipe.
Yes.
I'll say, when's the last time you cleaned out your truck?
Yeah, really. Man.
This one hasn't been cleaned out in 50 years.
What is that?
This is a chain guard.
Oh, yeah, it
They
is.
don't make them like they used to.
Old bicycle parts, an engine top for a small engine, another one, an actual mower deck right here, and this is all out of his truck bed. And here we have,
Well, dude, it was a stringed instrument.
it's a guitar. Yeah, it's got to be a guitar, I guess.
Oh, right.
Man.
Here, I can do this.
1 year later, we arrived back on scene due to us being worried about not being able to get done that tree we had held off for a while, along with the property switching hands.
How are you going to get back here to get this?
I've driven, but it definitely is one.
Where's
There's
the
the tree and the bumper.
Oh, that tree?
Yes, this tree grew on me. It was bigger than I thought.
Hi!
We're here checking out the old truck.
Oh, I thought it was a little smaller.
We tried cutting it with little,
With something.
and it's already been grown around. We tried cutting up in here. And also, we were just gonna unbolt this bumper. Look, we have this almost hanging here, because me and my friend unbolted this, but then we realized, look what's inside there. This bar is actually inside the tree. You just can't see it because it's literally inside the tree. This one actually has more paint on it.
I think we might be able to burn the wood off of it.
Once we get it out,
This
yeah.
one actually. What is with these trees that
That's
want
what,
to keep
every single one. Let's go down the line. Every single tree we found out. Right there, there. Right there. There. Hey, guys, comment below how this happened. A tree's going through the engine department. Oh, that's ouchers.
one right here.
Yeah.
And jack it up as high as we can.
Uh-huh.
And what? Get that tree out of the way first.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
Right.
And then we can try to put the wheels on it. Right?
Yeah.
Get the tree out of the way. Bring the jacks back. This was the year that they used real metal.
Oh,
In the cars. You know, it's not like tin foil. It's like real metal.
yeah, really.
And it's like, yeah. And the rust gets to it, and then it stops because the rust creates a protective coating over the metal
Right.
that it can't continue to rust. Yeah, but on new cars like that one there, it's thinner metal, and that's why it rusts all the way through.
Okay. So that's a newer one, you're saying?
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, that's not that much newer, but it is a lot newer.